Okay, and tell him he can visit you when he comes next night. Say hi, Brandon.
Hi, Brandon.
Tell him how old you are. Well, stop moving. Tell him how old you are. 6?
Yes.
Can you speak a little French to him?
Bonjour, madame. Bonjour. Sevmiş yani. Sevdiğini de diyor.
Okay. You know what? If you say bonjour, Brandon Amber, then you can see yourself on this TV screen I have on this camera, okay?
Ah.
So say bonjour,
Bonjour.
Adam. Amber.
Amber.
Et Brandon.
Amber.
Then say au revoir.